This is the place you want to come to if you're exchanging any currency because they offer the best rates in all of Bangkok. In my hand, I have exactly 50,000 brand new Philippine peso notes that I'm going to exchange in today's video. And I'm making this video because if you ever find yourself needing to exchange currency, this place offers some pretty good rates. Now, the reason why I need to exchange my money is to pay mainly for my accommodation here in Bangkok. Now I'm once again staying in the Siamese exclusive located along Sukhumvit Soi 42, and it's a brilliant condominium. It's got some of the best facilities in all of Bangkok. It's got a roof deck pool and a roof deck gym, and the rooms are pretty decent and spacious with very large windows, and it's located really conveniently right next to the Ekamai BTS, which is just in front of us. Look, it's not even like 200 meters. We can get there in under 2 to 3 minutes. Before we proceed up the escalators to take the BTS, there is a currency exchange place tucked in the middle of Ekamai BTS station called 12 Victory. Here it is. Now, I'm not sure if they've gone for lunch break because I don't see anybody here. Oh, there is somebody here. Hello, ma'am. How much is the rate from Thai baht to Philippine peso? Oh, I have.
Philippine peso ที่ไทยบาทนะคะ
Sorry.
Philippine peso ที่ไทยบาท
Oh, okay, it's different. Can I check? Okay, so the Philippine peso right now, if I was to exchange 50,000 pesos to Thai baht, the market rate is 1 Thai baht equates to 1.62 Philippine pesos. So divide that by 1.62 and we get 30.8k Thai baht. But ma'am offered me for 50,000 Philippine pesos, a rate of 0.555, which is a difference of about 3,000 Thai baht if I exchange here. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So I just checked on Google today, and the market rate from Philippine pesos to Thai baht is 0.62. So we have to try and get as close to that 0.62 as possible to get the most for our money. And man was offering us a rate which was 0.555 earlier, which is not great. And when you're exchanging anything above 500 to 1,000 US dollars, you know, the difference is quite significant, because the difference of 3,000 Thai baht is almost 100 USD dollars that I would be losing out if I was to transact my money here. So I think it's located inside the Sukhumvit Blue MRT line station. And these are all the brands that are located inside the station. And look, here it is, Super Rich Currency Exchange. Here it is. Hello. I want to exchange 50,000 Philippine pesos to Thai baht. How much is the rate? It's a little bit better than 0.55. That multiplied by 50,000, 28.5. Whereas the market rate, 0.62 multiplied by. Right, so it looks like I've got the wrong place. The one I'm after, which almost has the same name as this, also called Super Rich, is called Super Rich Thailand rather than Super Rich Currency Exchange. And they offer a rate of 0.595 to the Philippine pesos, which is much closer to the market rate of 0.62 than the currency exchange place behind me, which is offering it at 0.57. So be very careful not to confuse two. One has an orange kind of like banner, the other one has a green banner. And the closest one to us from Asok is located at MBK Center, which is in Siam. I think another 1 or 2 stops from Asok, if my memory serves me correct. Well, back onto the BTS we get, and it's 4 stations to Siam. Well, it looks like they've got a super rich currency exchange here in BK Center as well, but it's not this one that you want. The super rich Thailand is on the 3rd floor. And this is the place I've been looking for, which is just behind me. Hello. I want to exchange Philippine peso. What is your rate? 7.5 lo. On your website it says 0.595. Hello, Saudi Kabi. Thank you. Okay, folks, it looks like the super rich Thailand currency exchange satellite offices around Bangkok don't really offer the same rate as their headquarters rate, which is located along a street called Ratchadamuri Soi 1. So we're going there now. It's right next to Central World. I think it's around about a 5-minute motorbike ride, and the difference is about 0.02. It's not the 0.95 rate that I'm after, which you know, if I get that rate, I'll save myself about 1k baht. Wow, I didn't think I'd be whizzing around Bangkok in today's video to exchange some money. I thought it'd be pretty straightforward, but you know, if you're just planning to exchange maybe like, you know, 100 USD, I don't think, you know, all this effort is worthwhile. But if you're planning to exchange big sums of money, maybe 1,000 USD up, then yeah, I think it's worth it. Why not? Why lose out on 1,000 baht or 2,000 baht in literally one exchange process that earns money in seconds? I have no idea where we're going. There's like some little shortcut. Oh, we got a man driving a golf cart here. Hello, how are you? Folks, if you're learning something from today's video or you're enjoying it, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and like today's video. Woo! It'll greatly help me out. You know, 1,000 baht takes you a long way here in Bangkok, Thailand. 1,000 baht can last you about maybe 3 to 5 days on just Thai street food alone. Here. Yeah, it's so funny how... Come happy, thank you. So on the left we've got super rich Thailand, and then on the right we've got super rich currency exchange. Hello. This the headquarters? Headquarter? Nailo, okay. Hello, can I exchange Philippine peso?
You want to buy, right?
I want to buy Thai baht, yeah.
Philippine peso 2 baht, right?
Yes, that's right.
Yes, 595.
Okay, we'll do 50,000 Philippine pesos.
Okay, may I have your passport?
Guys, just make sure when you want to exchange a currency, you bring your passport. Otherwise, they will not allow you to exchange a currency. But I'm going to go over here where I've got a photocopy of my passport that I'm going to print out and then bring to them, because they're willing to accept that, but they're not willing to accept, you know, showing your passport on your phone. She told me print shop next to pink chicken shop.
Chicken, what?
Guy shop.
Guy.
Chicken.
Right chicken.
Pink guy chicken shop.
This
You know?
pink.
This one here,
chicken.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I think this is it. Here. Yes. Hello, Pete. Can I print my passport? I have a picture. Yeah. Got my passport printed. Yeah. Black and white copy. I hope they accept black and white copy. But we now have to go back over the bridge, which crosses the canal, and get to Super Rich, which is just along here. This is the bridge you gotta walk over. This is basically the main street here, which is right next to the Palladium Mall. But yeah, just make sure you bring your passport every time you want to exchange money, because they won't allow it. Hello. 50. Okay. Thank you. All right, and that's 29,750 baht exchanged. We just saved ourselves, I think, around about 2,000 to 3,000 baht in today's video. And this is the place you want to come to if you're exchanging any currency, because they offer the best rates in all of Bangkok. They're not going to get the same rate as I showed you. But we are now going to jump back on the BTS from Chitlong station and head over to Ekamai. But I still need to withdraw some money. So I want to see how much the currency exchange rate is if I withdraw directly from my debit card. Would it be cheaper to just withdraw cash directly from my card, or is it cheaper to actually exchange cash? Let's see. Ah, but this is the new LV store here. Is it a store or a cafe? I'm not sure, but here it is. It looks very, very fancy. And they've really done a fantastic job of renovating this mall. When I was here 2 years ago, it was still under construction. Well, folks, I made it back to my condo and I did manage to withdraw another 20,000 Thai baht from the ATM, Capricorn ATM, and my credit card gave me a rate of 0.58, which is actually worse than what I got at the currency exchange place, which was 0.595. But folks, I've shown you the best currency exchange place in all of Bangkok, Thailand, regardless of what currency you're trying to exchange, whether it be PHP, GBP, USD or Euro. And so if you learned something from today's video and you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video and share it with friends and family, and I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye for now.